Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 to be coming with an S Pen support and ultra-wideband technology, and it has been officially confirmed by FCC listing. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So as far as we know that Galaxy Z Fold3 and the Z Flip 3 devices are going to be launching on the month of August, and with that being said, there are going to be more and more information regarding the Galaxy Z Fold3 has been surfaced since from the last month. Even though we have already know that it is going to be supported by S Pen, but it doesn't has been confirmed yet from any sources. But today, the US variant of the Galaxy Z Fold3, which has a model number SMF926U and SMF926U1, received the FCC certification, and the documentation reveals a lot of exciting information. The foldable smartphone will be going to support the 5G, even the wave technology, the Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, NFC, ultra wideband technology. This is going to be an interesting choice, and also it is going to be coming with an S Pen support inside, and this is going to be pretty amazing because it is going to be officially confirmed by FCC listing. Then this means that we have the technology to be implemented inside the device. It's also going to be supported by 9 watt of wireless charging, and also the reverse wireless charging support is also available. This means that this is going to be first ever foldable devices that is going to be coming with a wireless charging support inside. Anyhow, the FCC listing also indicates that there is going to be a digitizer function that operates with the S Pen, which is how the S Pen works. But anyhow, the S Pen might not be bundled with the device as it may not have a dedicated slot to store the stylus. Like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, Samsung might sell the additional case for the Galaxy Z Fold3 that can hold the S Pen. The ultra-wideband technology, which is coming in the iPhones and the S21 series, has been implemented inside the Galaxy Z Fold3 according to the listing, which means that the new wireless data transfer standards that is competing with the Bluetooth and is used in the Smart Tag Plus. The listing also showcased that the device will have a 4275 mAh of a battery built out of two different cells, in which one cell is going to be of 2060 while the other one is going to be supported by 2215 mAh of a battery cells. So moving forward, the Galaxy Z Fold3 will reportedly ship with a One UI 3.1, not the One UI 3.5. So according to the Noel Ice Universe has now shared on Twitter an interesting new tip about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold3. It was earlier believed that foldable will be shipping with a One UI 3.5, but now the leaks state that won't be the case. According to the leak, it is going to be coming with our One UI 3.1 support instead of the One UI 3.5, which means that we're only going to see some improvement in terms of One UI 3.1, and it is unclear yet what are the other features might be included inside the One UI 3.1 support. Other detail that the leakster has pointed out that the One UI 4.0 will be tested with the S series next month, and probably meaning that the S21 series will be coming with a beta version of the One UI 4.0 sooner. But unfortunately, the Z Fold3 won't be coming with this impressive update over the currently existing One UI 3.1. So as far as the Galaxy Z Flip 3, we have the FCC listing for that particular device as well, and the FCC listing has clearly indicated that we may not see the S Pen support and the ultra wideband technology inside the Galaxy Z Flip 3. However, it's going to be supported by wave of 5G technology, and it's also going to be supported by wireless charging as well. Though the wide charging which is coming in the box is going to be of 15 watt. The Galaxy Z Flip battery will be of 3273 mAh. So guys, all in all, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy Z Fold3. It's going to be coming with some latest technology inside with a lower price tag. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What are your opinion about that? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.